In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see dislikes on YouTube. This method works only on Google Chrome web browser. So launch your Google Chrome web browser and click on the extension icon in the top right corner of the browser. Select Manage Extensions to open the extension page, and click on the top drawer icon in the left-hand corner. Then click on Open Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store search box, type Return YouTube Dislikes. Click on the appropriate extension and click on Add to Chrome again to install it. Wait for the extension to be quickly installed to your Chrome browser, and close all the tabs and then reopen your browser. Go to YouTube, refresh the page to see the dislikes counter on the videos. And that's it. You successfully restored or saw the dislikes counter on YouTube using the Chrome extension. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.